Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to buy USDT on Binance using Apple Pay? Here's how to buy USDT on Binance with Apple Pay. First of all, open the Binance app and sign into your account. Next, tap Buy Crypto on the home screen. In the search bar, type USDT and select it. Enter the amount you want to buy. Then tap Buy USDT. Now select Apple Pay as your payment method and tap Confirm. Authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID and your USDT will be added to your wallet instantly. And that's it. You have successfully bought USDT with Apple Pay. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.